Welcome to the lab on patch management. In the lecture, we had discussed the theory and what patch management is all about. So here I'm going to show you a concrete example so you can get a little better idea. So this is the Landesk security suite, which is a pretty popular software, and that would be installed onto a server on your network. So one part of the Landesk security suite is patch management, which you can see right here. So we go ahead and select that and see what it's all about. So let's see what they say here. Automate your manual patching process and cut IT staff time by 35%. Well, I don't know if the 35% is accurate, but certainly I could believe that. So let's see what it does. So it says, what is Landesk patch management? Keeping up with the constant stream of security threats and patches is an ongoing drain on IT staff. Landesk patch management evaluates, tests, and applies patches across the enterprise and automatically drastically simplifies your efforts. Remediate thousands of systems with one task without saturating your network. So that's the overview of it. So basically, you're not going to be doing this by hand. It's going to pretty much do it for you. And the key thing is that you'll be able to see on a screen specifically which ones of your workstations are fully patched and which ones may need patching. So what do you get here? You get operating system patching. So it maintains Microsoft Windows. And then you have third-party application patching. So Java, Adobe, etc., multiple browsers. So, you can pretty much get an automatic patching, a Windows patching, but that doesn't cover any of this stuff. And you have distributed and remote patching. So it patches all devices anywhere across your network, whether they're on the road, at remote sites, or asleep. So that's going to save you a heck of a lot of time. Specifically with all of your road warriors out there, it's not that easy to get patches on there if the workstation is not always connected. And what I mentioned already is visibility and control. So you're going to gain complete visibility on all patches on every device, anywhere on your network. So you can see what's going on here at a glance to see what needs patching and what doesn't. And it's patch automation and distribution, which is basically what the whole thing is about. And you get one heterogeneous platform for whether it's Windows, Red Hat, or Mac OS, any of those operating systems. So you can download a white paper here if you want to get more information. And there's actually little videos, sort of advertising videos, but it gives you an idea. And you can actually download the product trial and play with this thing if you like. Just remember, when you download the product trial, there isn't a specific product called Patch Manager, but it's part of their security suite. That is the end of this lab. Thank you very much for watching.